I'll show you how to find and recover lost or unsaved files in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Open Excel. Launch Microsoft Excel. File tab. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Options. Select Options from the left side menu. Save Settings. In the Excel Options window, click on Save. Auto Recovery Location. Look for the AutoRecover file location path. Navigate to the path, open the Start menu, and type this PC or computer. Open this PC. Click to open this PC. C drive. Double-click on the C drive. Users folder. Navigate to the Users folder. User folder. Open your User folder. Show hidden files, if necessary. Click on the View tab. Select Options. Go to the View tab in the dialog box. Choose Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply and then OK. Access App Data. Open the App Data folder, which may appear semi-transparent. Roaming folder. Navigate to Roaming. Microsoft folder. Open the Microsoft folder. Excel folder. Click on the Excel folder to see if there are any saved files. Adjust Auto Recover settings, if needed. Set the Auto Recover information to save every minute or two instead of 10 minutes. Ensure the option to keep the last Auto Recover version when closing without saving is checked. Change file location, optional. You can change the default save location if desired. Confirm changes. Click OK to confirm any changes made. Check for lost files. After following these steps, check if you can recover your lost Excel files. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.